I'm just gonna block that. We're okay. Don't even worry about it. It's all fine, just like that meme. This is fine.
It's totally fine.
This is fine. I can't see shit! We're having a bake-off and we've never baked before, alright? Me or Rolando never have baked in our lives. What's up, Spoo? Hope you're doing well. I guess chat looks good there. Chat looks good there. Rolando freshened up literally right before.
Right before.
Right before.
Couldn't find my headband though.
So he did a hat. He has to tie his hair up, guys. Kitchen standards. Let's go. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. What are you doing?
Shrinking it. So we can fit more in it. Yeah, see? Straps.
What? What are you on about? Why'd you do that? I can't see that even with my glasses, Rolando.
Well, that sounds like your own problem there.
2 cups, Rolando, yeah?
Yeah, hurry up before I start taking it from you. What are you doing?
Sorry. Okay, 2 cups. Here.
Get the fuck out of the way. What the fuck?
Okay. We got it? We got the flour.
Guess it's already getting everywhere, huh?
Alright, so narrate your actions. I am! Oh. I needed that. Okay.
What the hell are you doing?
Huh? Nothing. Anyways, you're back. Sorry, I just had to have a talk with him real quick.
Oh my god, as I was saying, I can't believe I got dragged into this fucking circus.
He didn't say that. He was actually saying really rude things about you guys.
I was not saying rude things about you guys.
Anyways,
I was saying
sugar time!
I can't believe this.
I'm spilling?
What?
What is that? Rolando, that. My screen! My Rolando got chocolate on my screen.
I didn't get chocolate. That was you.
Oh.
You were near the screen the whole time.
Baking powder! What am I doing? My brain just froze. Preheated!
Look at the baking soda. It's one and a half. Okay.
I got enough 2 tablespoons. Wait. Fuck. Oh shit.
What?
Oh no.
What'd you do?
Wait. Shit.
Half a tablespoon.
I'm so fucked.
What did you do?
I'm using fucking tablespoons, dude.
Yeah. Baking soda.
I'm supposed to be using teaspoons, dude.
Wait, what did I just do? I think I just made a
We
mistake.
just did the same thing. All right, we gotta roll with it. We gotta roll with it.
1/2
a tablespoon.
That's what it said right there for baking soda. Oh.
We gotta roll with it.
Give me that. That smells good, actually.
You know what? I'm just gonna make my shit fucking chocolatey as hell. Don't tell Rolando. That's gonna be my secret ingredient. Chocolate and a chocolate cake. We're making chocolate cakes, by the way. Not obvious at all. Are you doing baby whisk? I'll do big whisk in my tiny bowl.
Yeah. You want to switch whisks?
Kobe!
What the?
Kobe!
Hey!
Kobe! Stop eating the chocolate! I got one in there. Alright, he has a chocolate chip in there. We
No,
sabotaged him. Oh, this bowl's way too small, dude! Ah! I'm whisking.
I think I got it all mixed. Ah! I'm trying to just see. That's the one cool thing about the clear bowl. I can see where it's not mixed. Clear bowl advantage.
Shut the... You just aren't a professional mixer like me, okay? I know mine's mixed.
I was a professional mixer.
You don't even know what mixing is.
I know what
I
mixer
created
was.
I created mixing! I cannot add any more to this. I need to find something else. I'm about to use this. A bowl is a bowl, try it. That's the energy I want.
Who said that?
Allie.
Good.
That's the energy I need right now. We're in there!
2 schmags? Where my schmags at?
I'm schmegging? Kobe! Yo, don't block it!
You
That
got
was
it.
in there!
He doesn't know how to crack an egg.
I do know how to crack. I made eggs without you. Watch this. You ready? 2 eggs?
2 eggs.
Here we go. Here. I like that shit. I like that shit. You like that?
You did it. Congratulations.
like that?
He actually did it, ladies and gentlemen.
Loafy, whose team are you on? Team Rolando. What'd you just say? You better switch teams right now before I throw you in the oven.
Dripping it everywhere, dude.
Tripping shit, dude.
You're shaking. Why are you
Act
shaking?
like we're gonna. I'm cracked out of my mind. Move!
What's this? Here we go, I guess.
Here we go.
I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Let's go. We need. Oh, well, here we go. Here we go. It's towel time. Thank God I remembered.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Look, no. Y'all were laughing at my bowl. You're laughing at mine. Look how much room mine has now. Look how much mine has now. No.
This is about to be a huge ass mess.
It is. It's about to go everywhere. Get your clips ready. Oh, never mind. This thing's rocks, dude. $25, by the way, at Target.
Ah! Ah! Oh no! Oh god! I'm not a fan!
Put it on low, Rolando. You have to start low.
It is low! This is low!
And you said I'm freaking out?
I'm freaking out! Okay. Careful.
I'm in there!
Alright. There you go, I think that's good. A little bit more. There. Alright, I'm done with the water.
Alright. Wait, you didn't even measure that.
Woo! Yeah, it looks about the same as
It looks the same.
Not quite yet.
Chocolatey. Rolando does not look better!
How did you even see it?
You can't see it!
I'm about to call you out. Even I have to call you out.
The Whiston! Evenly, ladies.
Evenly.
Evenly.
I already done it evenly.
Evenly.
There we go. Look at that.
Look at that.
Mine is definitely better than that.
Professional. I'm getting hired by Gordon Ramsay. Let's cook them, Rolando. I get the bottom row.
Alright. Let me put them together side by side.
Okay.
There. Go in.
It's in there.
So this is killing my bacon side slowly.
You mean it's inspiring you?
It's spider.
Inspiring. Your cake is actually... There's so much cap. Yeah, I'm saying it. Cap. So I had to turn on the fan.
Oh.
It's falling. It fell.
Because of our baking soda mishap.
The baking soda. Wait. I'm on the right. Rolando's is dripping. Rolando's is dripping and burning our house down.
Yeah, it's not.
It's getting smoky. It's looking bad. It looks so bad. It looks so bad.
This is hilarious.
Oh my god.
One little mistake and here we are.
Melt in the butter. And then we need 2/3 cup cocoa.
Bruce, I'm worried too. I'm worried too.
2/3 cup cocoa.
Daddy's just gonna keep going. I love it.
Yep. Chocolate chip. We're all good. Chocolate on chocolate. I'm just gonna block that. We're okay. Don't even worry about it. It's all fine, just like that meme. This is fine.
It's totally fine.
This is fine. Everything's fine.
It's getting very smoky in there, Daddy.
It's getting very smoky in there. Everything's fine.
I think we should turn it off.
I can't see shit.
You guys wanted this. Cooking shit from us. Baking.
And listen, What did you expect? What did you expect from us?
No, Danny, it was mostly yours.
No,
It's still
no.
oozing.
No. It's equal. It's equal. It's equal mistake. Equal mistakening. A little bit more Rolando. A little bit more Rolando.
It's definitely Danny's.
It's
Danny's.
not.
Mine isn't wiggling.
Alright, mine's jiggling. Alright, Rolando, go.
Danny's right here. Mine's over there. Alright.
It needs to be cooked more. They're not cooked. Taste it. Oh my god. I made frosting. I made frosting for the first time. That's good. The cake recipe is good too.
We're just idiots.
We're fucking stupid. You know this.
We'll try this, Danny.
What are you doing? What is that? What'd you just eat?
It's pretty good.
What'd you just eat?
Piece of cake. It tastes pretty good. It's yours.
Oh hell yeah.
Actually good.
Danny wins.
It's not that stuff, which is.
You didn't see that.
This is what's on the inside of my cake right now. I think mine's is done. I'll put it a little more.
I think it's done.
Yeah, a little more. It's actually this, yes.
Mine definitely does.
And this.
Stop.
Is the inside of Danny's.
It's back in. The package is secured.
I cut the tip
Let's
and
go.
slid it under.
Same. Oh my god. We have.
Ranks of organisms in taxonomy.
Wait. Wait. No. Oh! 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 Me and Rolando and Salmon are at the end. I think Suma's dead. Oh! Ah! Oh, Rolando's the only one. It's only Rolando.
Oh.
I chose group 2. Monogamous. No, he did it! He did it! Let's go! Nice, Rolando. Come on, stream.
Oh, man.
It's time for cakes. It's time to see if he wins the cake competition now too. Alright,
Mine's looking fine.
yours is looking good. Alright, it's just this part for me, but this is good stuff right here. Alright? Good stuff. Flip it upside down.
What the fuck is this shit? Ah, bastard! Daddy sabotaged me. He sabotaged me.
All that Pam, baby. Rolando's is not perfect. It looks exactly the same. Look at his edges. Look at this. Look how rough these edges are. Look at that. He took a bite out of it.
Careful! Holy shit! Daddy,
I need to get down there.
you squeeze it down there.
It-
We got it. See, you just have to squeeze it down there. Holy Holy shit! Oh no! My tip! My tip fell off the edge!
Rolando broke his tip. I repeat, he broke his tip.
That's not good. Don't you fucking... My tip... Oh no! Chocolate falling on me!
Rolando is spilling after breaking his tip. Spilling. Losing precious time. Alright, Rolando, you can start.
Alright.
It's probably better on that one. You can do both, actually.
Yeah, that's my cake.
Okay, Rolando has the icing. He's got a shit ton of chocolate chips all around the outer ring. I can move this. Outer ring. Move back. Move back. Move back. The sprinkles and then a little chocolate center. Okay? A little chocolate center. Alrighty. Now, we got the Danny. We didn't even use the piping bags. Alrighty.
I did a little bit.
I tried, but mine was only for letters and it didn't work because it's chocolate. So, we got a ring of chocolate chips. Alright? Yeah, you guys are in the way. And then we got the sprinkles and the LS bathed in the middle. Or not bathed in the middle, but in the middle.
That's a shitty L.
It's a fine L. You just can't see it. There. You can see it there better. Chocolate chip LS for Loaf Squad. Alright? Oh, you can see it way better from far away.
Oh, wait.
Are we really saying Rolando won? Is that what we're saying? When I'm representing? Is that what we're saying? This is a loser. Fuck that.
On that bombshell, it's time to end.